These types of ASMR staircase videos are going viral across social media, and many creators are making huge money from this kind of content. Today, I'm going to show you how to create videos like these for free using just a few simple steps. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the video and get started. First, open ChatGPT, then click on plugins and select GPTs. Once you're there, search for ASMR staircase. Click on the first GPT that appears, and then click start. Now type start and send it. You'll get several different suggestions. From these suggestions, select anyone you like. I'm going with the honey staircase. Now send your suggestion and the GPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt for you. First, copy the image prompt and open Google Flow. Select the image option and paste your prompt. Your image will start generating. Once the image is ready, come back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Now go back to Google Flow and select the video option. Choose the OmniFlash model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Next, upload the image you generated earlier and paste the video prompt. And that's it. Your ASMR staircase video will start generating. Now, let's take a look at all the results together. And there you have it. You can create these satisfying ASMR staircase videos with just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.